We're having a midnight drag race. This is what my kids like to do. They don't like to sit in the house and play video games. It's really cold, but they want to ride the 4-wheel, so I let them. On the far right, we have my daughter Erin on the Suzuki LT8, the red one with the pink light. In the middle is my nephew Justin on the Artic Cat DVX 90 with the orange light. And to the far left is my son Braylon on the Raptor 90 with the red, white, and blue light. So the cue was, once I kill my light, that's the go. Here we go. Here they go. Okay. Pink guy, you let Brandon beat you. Brandon, you won? You won. Right by. Pink, you almost had me. I was neck and neck for a minute.